Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Ramsha Sultan, and today I'm going to do one of the most exciting videos of the year, and that is the Eid makeup look as well as this hijab tutorial with the tiara. So let's begin. Before starting, let me tell you guys that this scarf, the hijab cap, the tiara and the hand chain that I will be using in this video are all available on my website ramshasultan.com. So if you are interested in purchasing any of these, you can head on to my website. I would also be providing the direct links in the description box down below. Now let's begin. First, I'm taking Colorbar Aqua Feel Pro Foundation and dotting it all over my face. Then taking a Colorbar blending sponge, I am blending the foundation in my skin. This makes the skin look flawless. Then taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, I am applying it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose and also on the few spots. And blending all the flaws away. Using Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder, I am setting my whole face, especially the concealer, so that it does not move. Now taking the My Glam Brow Definer, I am defining my eyebrows just by filling them in. Now I'm going to use my favorite Naked 3 palette on my eyes. I'm taking the beautiful golden shade Trick from this palette and applying it on my eyes. Then taking the color Factory, I am defining the outer areas of my eyes and also the crease. This creates a depth in the eyes. Now I'm taking My Glam eyeliner and winging out my eyes. You all know my favorite kajal in the whole world. I'm taking Plum to apply it on my eyes and then smudging it a little bit with my little finger. Now I would be using the My Glam Chisel It palette. First of all, I would be contouring my face with the bronzer in it. I would also be contouring my nose. This makes the nose look slim. This is my favorite part, applying the blush. Now I would be using the highlighter in the same palette and applying it on the high points of my face. This makes the skin glow beautifully. Now I would be taking Iba Halal Matte Lipstick, matching my outfit and applying it. Taking the Vega Eyelash Curler, I am curling my eyes. Curling the eyelashes makes such a huge difference. Now I would be taking the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, which is actually a sensation in the whole world. This mascara is amazing. I'm applying it on my upper and lower eyelashes. Now let's show you the hijab tutorial. Fold and pin the scarf under your chin. Now I'm taking the beautiful tiara from my brand collection and pinning it in. Take one side of the scarf and wrap it around your head. Make as many folds as you would like and then pin them in. The other side of the scarf is used for coverage, so you can keep the length of the scarf as per your preference. And this is it. This is the complete Eid makeup look along with the beautiful tiara detailing. And this is it guys, this is how I created this Eid look. By the way, how do I look? Comment down below and let me know. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. To shop the hijab and hijab accessories, you can head on to my website ramshasultan.com. And yes, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram to know me a little more. Until then, Eid Mubarak.